Hey everybody, I'm Ricci and I'm rolling out in my 2017 Ram ProMaster City to Arizona, where I kayak through Lake Powell to Antelope Canyon. Check out this vlog. Good morning vlog, day 3 back in Utah, and the most exciting thing, I'm very excited today. I am gonna go kayaking for the first time. On this trip, I'm gonna go kayaking. I've had my kayak in, my van is a mess right now, but I've had my kayak down here under my bed stored up, and now I'm ready to use it. So let's see what we got here. I just blew it up. I'm formed the paddle. I got my life jacket in the front. I'm gonna bring 2 bottles of water. I'm gonna bring my hat. I have a dry bag. I also have this bag for my phone to keep that dry. I'm gonna bring a ton of granola bars, my backpack, and then I'm gonna bring these gloves because it's a 3-mile kayak each way. So just in case my hands are forming blisters, I thought I would bring those. I have an extra charger. I have flares, and then I have, that's all that I'm bringing. And then I'm gonna make some oatmeal this morning. So I'll show you how I do that with my Jetboil. And then I'm gonna head out. It's, I think, 7:40 right now. I'm hoping to be on the water at 8 a.m. Wow, it's so crazy beautiful out here. Good luck to future Nicole, who needs to carry her kayak back up there. It was quite the feat. So coming down, so it's gonna be crazy going back up. Let me start kayaking. I'm so excited. This is gonna be a really long 3 miles. I started right over there, like 100 feet away, and I'm already tired. Plus I'm going against the waves, so okay, better get going, because otherwise if I stop paddling, I'm just gonna shoot back to where I came from. Yikes. Update. I have been going for about a half an hour and I made it a mile. So I feel like that's not the worst timing. Have I even told you where we're going? So at a mile, I now start leaving the main Lake Powell and heading into Antelope Canyon. So I'm gonna kayak 2 miles in and then drop my kayak and start hiking in the canyon. So I'm so excited. Antelope Canyon, you normally have to book tours, and there's the upper part and the lower part. And I am kind of going through the back way, and you can bring a kayak in there. So let's go.
I've tried so hard to see it. Took me so long to believe it, that you choose someone like me to carry your victory. Perfection could never earn it. You give what we don't deserve, and you take the broken things and raise them to glory.
Okay, I made it. So that's where I came from. I just parked my kayak right here, and I'm headed through the canyon.
You are my champion. Giants fall when you stand undefeated.
I ran into 2 couples on my way here, both of them in blow-up kayaks. However, the second couple, one of their kayaks had popped, and I'm worried that one of them would steal my kayak. So I was just really nervous waiting when I docked my kayak, thinking, should I wait there with my kayak? Because I'm just leaving it there.
Every battle you've won, I am who you say I am. You
combining my favorite things. Not necessarily favorite, kayaking isn't my favorite, but we know that slot canyons are. And so to be able to kayak to this one is so cool.
With the one who has conquered it all. Now I can finally see it. You're teaching me how to receive it. So let all the striving cease. Oh, this is my victory. You are my champion. Giants fall when you stand undefeated. Every battle you won, I am.
The canyon split apart into two forks. I took the left fork first, and I think this is where I turn around. I could probably wade in that pool and scale that rock, but then I don't know how I would get back down, and I've already done quite a bit of scrambling to get this far, so I'm going to turn around and then head on the right fork. I'm now hiking the right fork, and I'm praying the Russian couple won't steal my kayak because I saw them turn around. But what I'm thinking about is I really wish that I had someone here to take a picture of me. You know, I have been traveling alone for a while now, and honestly, I'm loving it. I was first lonely, and now I kind of got into my groove of being alone, and I've always been independent, and so I'm thriving. But if I could have somebody here, it would be great to like get a photo of me in the canyon. Even though obviously I'm not Instagram model right now with my Reebok hat, my Badger t-shirt, my Nike shorts, and have I showed you guys my new Tevas yet? This is what they look like. I already got them very muddy, but I love them. I love Tevas. Tevas, please sponsor me. Okay, update over.
Who you say I am. You crown me with confidence. I am seated in the heavenly place, undefeated, with the one who has conquered it all, it all, it all, it all, it all. Oh, he's conquered it all. When I left my voice, when I lift my voice and shout, every wall comes crashing down. I have the authority Jesus has given me. When I open up my mouth, miracles start breaking.
I made it to the end. This is the big wall that marks the paid territory. On the other side is where they do tours. So I basically explored this whole area. I'm so happy. Woo! This was awesome. What a cool hike. Antelope Canyon. I'm sure it's also great on the upper and lower where they give tours. But this is super great to be able to kayak here and see the canyon. Phenomenal.
I have the authority Jesus has given me. When I lift my voice and shout, every wall comes crashing down. I have.
My kayak was there. Praise God. I'm back on the water. Heading back. How cool is that? Oh my gosh. Whoa. How cool is this? Kayaking through a canyon. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Miracles start breaking out. I have the authority Jesus has given me. You are my champion. Giants fall when you stand undefeated.
Update, I made it out of the lake with my kayak and back up to my car. I stopped at a Dollar Tree. Please, Dollar Tree, sponsor this video. That's probably the #1 place I've been. I've been there 3 times on my trip since I left Madison. I picked up some butter pecan ice cream, not my favorite flavor. Normally I would go for something more chocolatey, Oreo. They didn't have that. This is pretty good. It will do. I also got some cheese puffs and some cookies. So we're off to a great start. I'm headed to a small hike. It's already, what time is it? I think maybe 5 p.m. I want to do a quick small hike called Toadstools on my way back to Kanab. So that's my plan. I think I should be there in about a half an hour. See it, then find a spot to park for tonight.
Every battle you won, I am who you say I am.
I made it to the Toadstool hoodoos. So these hoodoos are just like what I saw in Bryce Canyon. So cool. There's more back there. And the sun is setting this way. Beautiful. Good morning. It is day 4 of my time back in Utah, Thursday. And what you just saw or will see is the wave lottery. I spent 3 mornings trying to get a permit to hike the wave. 104 people there the first day, 118 people the second. I don't even know how many people were there this morning. I did not get in. There's 4 permits that they pick, and it's the luck of the bingo drum, and unfortunately I was not chosen. It's okay. I'm here at the Mansard hike. It's 5 miles. I'm going to hike up there, and then I'm gonna go to Zion this afternoon. So that's the update. Excited for this hike. If you've been wondering where I parked right outside of Kanab last night, a super beautiful spot with great views. Watched the sunrise this morning. And if you've been wondering what I'm eating, I showed you the ice cream yesterday. It's been cookies for breakfast. These cookies, fudge striped shortbread, pretty dang good. So let's get going with the hike. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I will see you next time. Bye.